Hello! Welcome to today's lesson. This is a simple lesson, but it is also very important. Today, we are going to learn English in a calm and clear way. Not too fast, not too difficult, just step by step. Our topic is daily routine, the small actions we do every day. 8 essential words. Very basic, very useful. These words help you talk about your day, your habits, and your life. In this lesson, you will see each word, imagine a simple picture, listen to natural examples, learn with an easy rhythm. So take a breath, relax, and let's begin. Part 1. Vocabulary with simple visual description. Number 1. Wake up. Your eyes are closed. Everything is quiet. Slowly, light enters the room. The alarm rings. You open your eyes gently. This moment is wake up, the start of a new day. Examples. I wake up early during the week to start my day calmly. On weekends, I sometimes wake up late because I have more time. When I am very tired, it is hard for me to wake up. Some days, I wake up naturally without an alarm. Number 2. Get dressed. You stand in front of your clothes. A shirt, pants. You choose what to wear. You put on your clothes slowly and carefully. This action is get dressed. Examples. I get dressed after I wash my face in the morning. When I am in a hurry, I get dressed very quickly. On cold days, I get dressed in warm clothes. I like to get dressed in comfortable clothes for work. Number 3. Have breakfast. A small table. A warm drink. Maybe bread, fruit, or something simple. A quiet moment before the day begins. This moment is have breakfast. Examples. I have breakfast at home before I leave for work. On busy days, I only have a warm drink for breakfast. When I have extra time, I prepare a bigger breakfast. If I wake up late, I eat a very light breakfast. 4. Go to work. You take your keys. You take your bag, you step outside, you leave home to start your day. This action is go to work. Examples. I go to work by bus because it is easy and comfortable. On some days, I walk to work because my office is close. When I am late, I go to work by taxi. I usually go to work at 8 in the morning. 5. Come home. The day is long. You finish your work. You open the door. You enter your home and feel calm again. This action is come home. Examples. I come home in the evening and take a short rest. When I have extra work, I come home later than usual. When I come home, I change into comfortable clothes. Some days I do small shopping before I come home. 6. Take a shower. Warm water. Steam in the air. A moment to relax. A moment just for you. This action is take a shower. Examples. I usually take a shower at night to relax. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning to get more energy. When I feel tired, I take a long, warm shower. Before bed, I take a quick shower to sleep better. 7. Make dinner. A pot on the stove. A simple meal. The smell of food in the house. A calm moment at the end of the day. This action is make dinner. Examples. I usually make a simple dinner at home. Sometimes I make dinner early so I can relax in the evening. On busy days, I make a quick dinner because I'm tired. Sometimes I make a light dinner for my family. 8. Go to bed. Lights off. A quiet room. A soft pillow. Time to rest. This moment is go to bed. Examples. I usually go to bed at 10 at night. If I have work to finish, I go to bed later. When I feel tired, I go to bed early. After watching TV, I go to bed. Part 2. Simple daily story. Now, imagine a picture. A clear and simple day. Nothing complicated. Just small moments, one by one. Early in the morning, the alarm rings, and you wake up. You open your eyes slowly and take a deep breath. For a few seconds, the room is quiet. You feel the start of a new day. You sit up, stretch a little, and prepare your clothes. You choose what to wear, and you get dressed calmly. Sunlight comes through the window. Everything feels quiet and soft. Then you move to the table and have breakfast. Maybe tea, maybe coffee, maybe something very simple. A warm drink, a calm moment. Your day begins with slow and easy energy. After breakfast, you take your keys and your bag, you step outside, and go to work. You see people on the street, cars, buses, morning sounds. The city is waking up with you. A new day starts for everyone. Hours pass. You work, you focus, you finish your tasks. And later, in the evening, you come home. You open the door and feel safe again. Home is quiet. Home is comfortable. Home is your space to rest. To relax, you take a shower. Warm water, soft steam. The tired feeling slowly leaves your body. You breathe out. The day becomes lighter. Then it's time for dinner. You prepare something small, something simple. You make dinner and enjoy the smell of warm food. It feels like the final calm part of the day. And finally, lights off. A quiet night. Your bed is ready. You go to bed and rest. You close your eyes slowly, and the day comes to an end. A simple day. A gentle day. A day you understand easily in English. Part 3. Question and answer. Now let's practice. I will read the question, and then I will read the answer. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the structure. Just repeat after me. When do you wake up? I wake up early in the morning because it helps me start my day with calm energy. How do you get dressed in the morning? I get dressed slowly and comfortably, and I choose simple clothes that feel good for the day. Where do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at home, and I enjoy a quiet moment before I begin my day. How do you go to work? I go to work by bus because it is easy, comfortable, and I can relax on the way. When do you come home? I come home in the evening, usually after finishing my work and daily tasks. When do you take a shower? I take a shower at night to relax and to release the stress of the day. Do you make dinner every day? Yes, I usually make dinner at home, and I prefer simple meals that are quick and easy. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed around 10 at night, so I can rest well and feel fresh the next morning. Active review. Before we finish the lesson, let's do a short practice together. Think about your own morning, a normal day. The very first thing you do when you wake up. Now write one very simple sentence about the first action in your morning routine. It doesn't need to be long. It doesn't need to be difficult. Just one small and real action from your daily life. Example: when I wake up, I drink a glass of water. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentence. Simple, clear, and true for you. If you want, you can share your sentence in the comments. Reading other people's sentences can give you new ideas, and your sentence can help others learn as well. If you want to continue learning and stay on track with your English lessons, make sure you subscribe and keep your notifications on. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.